What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Let's go for another live trading session. Okay, so we just starting, right? So we just placed two trades right there because, if the price chart follows the pattern, okay, this price will meet this support level right here, and we'll be able to score these two trades. Okay, so I'm going to change my strategy a little bit. So I'm going to stick to my 1% of my portfolio for this session. Okay, so I'm only going to be 241 per trade. Okay, and if I'm profitable on the next one, I'm going to use again. Okay, guys, so this is 1% of my portfolio. Okay, and I'm going to use a total of 10%. Okay, so that percent means 10 trades. If I lose 10 trades, that means I lost 10% of my total balance. Okay, and if that's the case, I will call it a day. But you know, that has to do with risk management. Okay, so I won the first one, I won the second one, but if I place 1%, will be 245. But I'm gonna stick to 241. Okay, so let's see if we can get this balance to, I don't know, 255, 260. So let's scroll around and let's see if we can find another opportunity. Okay, guys, we got this one right here. So this is a support level right here, went all the way to this local resistance area. And I'm just waiting to see if it's gonna test this support line over here or have a continuation to the upside. So probably I'm gonna add an extra minute on this one because this is not OTC pair. This is the real market. So let's see how it goes. Okay. So MACD is showing a crossover. We got lots of red bars right there. So I took 4 trades on this one. So 2 minutes and 11 seconds per trade, and is not going the way that I was expecting to go. So let's see how it goes. Okay. So I'm just going to take 4 trades for now. So I'm going to leave it as it is, because if it goes the other way around, we're going to lose 2, 4, 6, $8, 8, $9, something like that. Okay, so let's see what's going to happen. So we got 1 minute and 30 seconds. So this chart is a bit crazy. That's why I decided to give a little bit more time, because this is the real market. This is not OTC. So you got to keep that in mind. So sometimes you just have to give an extra time for the trade so we can try to score it. But seems like it's not going to go our way. Seems like it's going to have a continuation to the upside. And we are going to lose this one, I believe. So back to 1 minute and 11. So most likely it's going to retest this level over here and have a continuation to the upside. We'll see. I got 44 seconds to go. So that's 4 trades that we potentially going to lose. So we will have 6 more trades, and then after that, we're not gonna, if we lose the other 6 trades, then we will be call it a day for today. Okay. So we got 25 seconds, still far away from our entries. So let's see what's up. 16 seconds. Nah, I really don't think that we're gonna make it. Final stretch. Last 10 seconds. This big candle killed me. Okay, we lost 1, 2, and potentially 3. And we got a green candle right there. 10 seconds for the last one. Yeah, we got screwed over. But it is what it is. Okay, so yeah, I really thought the price would come over here because we have this local high. Okay, but it didn't happen. Okay, guys, we got this one. If our TA is right, so we got a pattern right here, falling edge, wedge. And if all goes well, we will be able to score on this one. So let's wait and see. 1 minute and 11 seconds per trade. So hopefully this will be a profitable trade. And let me take another one there. Let's see if the price goes up a little bit more so we can place a few more trades. So we got 6 more to go, 6 more trades, and let me take another one there. So we got 6 trades to go, 3 to go. two more, last one, and that's it. So 10 trades. Okay, so ooh, that's not what I was expecting. And yeah, if we lose these trades, these 6 trades will be 10 trades in a row. So that, if that's the case, that's going to be 10%, and we will call it a day for today. Okay. So the first one, we lost it. Second one, we got 25 seconds to go. And seems like price is not respecting this falling edge. And we are going to see a different trend. Okay. Seems like price is going to the other side, and we are not going to make it. I'm afraid that's it. That's going to be the end of this session because we already lost 10 trades in a row, and the price is not respecting what we're supposed to do, what he's supposed to do. So it sucks, but it is what it is, right? So we cannot win all the time. So we got 5 seconds on the last one. Well, 7 seconds on the last one. Let's see. No, no. We lost the ball. Jeez. Ooh. Woo. But yeah, it sucks, but it is what it is, guys. There's not much we can do about it. Okay, guys, seems like the price is going to have a continuation to the downside. So I increased my bets for 2.5%, tried to recoup the previous losses, and I've played 6 trades. Okay, so the first trade is going to end in 30 seconds. So if we clear all these trades, we probably going to be in the green for today's session. So let's see what's going to happen. Okay, so we got 15 seconds on the first one and 30 seconds on the last one. And yeah, seems like price is finally going to respect the wedge and is going to come all the way here. And if that's the case, we're going to clear all these trades. Okay. So yeah, 5 seconds. Price. Ooh, 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 2 seconds. Clear. The other one, clear. Okay, cool. So we are in the green again. So we started with 241, I think. Yeah, 241. So now, because that was 1%, so now if you place 1%, it's going to be 252. So that means we've made, uh, let's say, yeah, actually $10. We made $10. Okay, so let's go back to 241, 2.41. Which is 0.96. Okay, so we had a huge loss over here. So that was just a bad timing. And yeah, we managed. I was like, let me just hang on a little bit longer and see what happens. Okay, so placed these 6 trades and won them all. So we are in the green again. Even though we lost these 10 trades at 241, we placed 553 per trade and we won them all. So we are in the green again. So let's have a look what's going to happen. Let me look around. We already made $10 today, so I'm happy with that. So let me look around if I can see if I can find a new opportunity. If that's the case, I'm going to take a trade. If not, I'm going to call it a day. Okay, guys, after spending some time analyzing the markets, the coins, the currencies that I have over here to trade, they're not really doing what it's supposed to do. So I'm just gonna call it a day, right? So I was expecting this one to pump, bounce back to this level right here, and continue the upside, continue going towards the upside, but it's not happening. Okay, Amazon, I was expecting the price to come over here. I was expecting over here the price would go up again and continue this trend, but instead it decided to go down. Okay, so we lose that one, so we're not doing anything with this one. Okay, American Express, I was expecting to bounce back up again over here, so we could potentially do another trade going down. Okay, so over here is where we lost. Okay, all those 6 trades or 10 trades in a row. Jeez. And eventually the price managed to come all the way down. So that's why I decided, okay, let me go and take the 6 trades because, seems like, yes, now is going to be the real deal and the price will come over here to this line. And as you can see, it did. Okay. Next one up, we have Tesla. Again, I was expecting Tesla to come over here to this line and have a bounce back up, but it didn't happen. Decides to break this trend right here. So uh, it's not valid anymore. This one right here, I was expecting the pullback over here in this area to come over here to this support line again. It didn't happen. I also was expecting a pullback to this line over here before the continuation to the upside. It didn't happen. So I'm gonna leave it alone. And this one is the one that got us screwed. Okay, so over here I thought it would go down, it went up, and then over here I thought it would go down all the way to the support line, but it did not. So it's a bit messy today. So most likely I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna have a last check. Let me see if I can find an opportunity. If not, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm happy with the results of today. Okay, guys, so we got this one. Which one is this one? And as you can see right here, is on the uptrend for quite some time, right? So he's respecting this line. So we can see the MACD has some green bars right there, and potentially we're going to see a crossover. And from here, potentially the price will meet this local high right here. Okay, so I'm looking to take a trade on this one. So I'm just waiting for a few more candles for the confirmation. And if it has a continuation to the upside, I'm going to place a few trades. And hopefully we're going to be able to score these ones and be in profits. Okay, so let's see what's going to happen. So candles, they're not really strong. Okay, so really weak candles. And we got to pay attention to that as well. So this one was good, but all of them, the rest of them, they're not really good. Big candles. So we got some red candle right there. So now it's just a moment of truth, see if the price is going to have a continuation to the upside or the trend is going to change. But feels like the trend is going to change. And seems like we're going to have a continuation to the downside. Okay, because this coin has been going up for quite some time and feels like now it's time to go down. And if that's the case, I'm just gonna call it a day because there is no point trying to force trades, because when you start forcing trades, that's when you will start losing your uh, balance. Okay, so this one is not doing what it's supposed to do. This one, mm, too spiky, so forget about it. Tesla changed the trend. Okay, different pattern. This one right here had a little pullback, but I missed that one. So this is what I was expecting, a little pullback before the continuation to the upside. I missed this one, so screw it. This one right here, it's a bit too crazy, right? So I'm not gonna touch it. This one broke the pattern, so I was expecting to bounce back up, but it didn't happen, so it is what it is. And this one, okay, so this one, we got the pumping, we got the pattern right here, the uptrend. Facebook, usually when it meets this level right here, it bounces back up. Okay, so hopefully that will be the case, and we will be able to ride on this one. So if you have a continuation to the upside, of course. So I'm going to wait a few more candles, and if the price continues to fall, that means the trend has been broken and we're not going to have a continuation to the downside. This one right here, yes, is definitely going down, but the question is how low it will go. We don't really know. Okay, so let's just wait and see for this one. So yeah, this one is going to be my last shot. So if nothing happens, well, it is what it is. But we gotta wait. We gotta be patient. Right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this session up. Okay, so seems like not much is happening, so I'm not gonna wait around all day for the perfect entry. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap this video up. And yeah, the session for today, it's done. Okay, I was waiting to see what this one is going to happen. So hopefully I was thinking that it would come over here to this line again and have a pullback, but seems like it's not going to happen. Also, the signal is getting weaker, right? So very, very small bars right there. So it's going to be a risky trade if you take that one. This one right here regain the support level again. And if that's the case, we potentially will see the price coming to this level over here, this resistance level right there. And if that's the case, we probably should take a trade on this one. But at the same time, um, it can be a risky trade, right? Because we are on a downtrend, so we're doing lower highs right there. So this one didn't break the previous high. Okay, so it can be a risky trade. So most likely we're gonna have a continuation to the downside, but the price is reacting to this level right here. Okay, so seems like it's been rejected. Okay, so if we draw a line right here, we can see the pattern. We can see the pattern right there. Okay, so he's doing lower highs, okay, and also lower lows over here. This one uh, didn't break the previous high, and this one broke the previous low. Okay, that's a good sign. Like I said, you know, price is it's in two minds over here. Okay, guys, so it can be a risky trade. Okay, it would only be valid if the price breaks above this line right here, but at the same time it would be enough, not enough space for us to, you know, take the trades securely, right? Because it can go midway and pull back. So probably I'm just going to leave this one alone. This one I was expecting to come over here to the pullback, and it's actually coming over here. The question is it going to continue to come down, or is going to reverse and continue to go back up? Because if you look over here, if you place a resistance line right there, we can see that it's very, very close, right? So from here, we just gotta wait and see. Okay, so over here shows a downtrend, and also we got lots of red bars. Okay, we clearly can see that we are going down, even though we are above the 100 EMA. Okay, we potentially will see uh, go up, okay, all the way to this level over here, or we're gonna see price coming down to this previous level, previous resistance level. But we can see like green bars coming up, right? So it seems like price is gonna consolidate a little bit before make its mind. This one right here, okay. So yeah, it came to the level that we were expecting, but the volume is very, very weak. As you can see, candles very close to each other. So we probably would have to go for like 3 minutes trade, because if this currency follows the pattern, okay, we're gonna see the price coming down to this area by here. And as you can see right here, this is the local high, and now seems like it's about to reverse and it's about to come down. Okay, but then again, it might take some time. So this one is going to break the pattern, it's going to break the resistance level, it's going to go down for the looks of it. This one right here is consolidating, and potentially after a few consolidations will go up. Okay, I would have to wait a few more minutes for this one. And this one still following the downtrend, and this one had a pump. Okay, yeah, I missed this one. Pfizer. But yes, I'm gonna wrap this video up, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.